Here at the last of the day, sunset, you can see all the little bird tracks literally by the thousands out here where we threw some really nasty cheesy poofs earlier. Grandson wanted to try some. They were new, they were cheap, and they proved so. Anyways, the deer are back. They're starting to come back in the yard back there. You must have liked it over here on the other side last night. There's one already laying down there. The rest are kind of moseying on in. So we'll leave them alone. Rest of the tracks out there, all deer tracks, squirrel tracks, a few of them. Pretty cool. Thanks again for watching.